Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted our Prestige X1 alarm on this tipper truck. Customer had his previous stolen, so he was a bit paranoid. So we fitted this system here. So how it basically works is when he leaves the vehicle, if he locks it, deadlocks it, and then arms it with R1, you get one bleep, one flash, system will arm. When he comes back to the vehicle, if he wants to disarm it, hits the bottom one there, two bleeps, two flashes, disarm it. If he wanted to come home late at night, he didn't want no chirping, he would arm it in this way. Auxiliary button first, that, then that. He'd just get an indicator flash, the system will silent arm, and if he wants to silent disarm it, that, then that. What we're going to do now is we're going to arm it, and what we're going to do, we're going to simulate someone trying to pick the door lock or someone cloning his original remote control. If someone picks the lock, as soon as they pick the lock, the alarm will trigger. Or if someone clones this remote control and goes to unlock it, the alarm will trigger. So we'll wait about 10 seconds for it to arm. If you hit the button the first time, it will silence the alarm. Hit it again. It will then disarm, but this time it will give us 4 chirps to say the alarm's been triggered. So say for example someone had hit the vehicle, the alarm had gone off and you have not heard it. When you come back and disarm it, it will give you an alert to tell it's been triggered. Also there's an LED on the dashboard that will give you a sequence of flashes, then pause and then repeat the count, and that will give you a report back. So say for example you had a 40 shock sensor or a 40 door switch and the alarm kept on triggering, you would know. Now what we're going to do is we're going to lock it, arm it, pick the door lock and trigger it that way. So we're going to lock it, deadlock it, arm it, wait 30 seconds and then go and attack the door lock. There you go, someone's tried to pick the lock and the alarm is triggered. Now I'm going to show you impact sensor. So we're going to arm it again, we're going to deadlock it and arm it. Now we're going to arm it, wait for it to set and then see when someone applies a force to it. Okay, I've just disarmed it. I mean, I wouldn't have left it running. It would have run for about 30 seconds, but I don't really want to upset the neighbours. So just to show you that obviously someone applies a force. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to arm the system. I'm going to jump in the vehicle and try and start it. And you see the vehicle won't start because it'll be immobilised. So I'll do that now again. So I'll lock it. So let's unlock it. So let's lock it, deadlock it, arm it. And then once again, wait for it to set. So there you go, just showed you obviously system armed, someone's broken in, tried to start it, won't start. Then I've disarmed it and then you can see it start. It's also got a secondary form of override, so should you one of these remotes fail such you can't disarm it, there is a valet switch which enables you to disarm it. That's your second scenario should this fail. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0208 906 0478. 0208 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye bye.